Hi everyone, Lee Brownlee here. So we're publishing a series of videos at the moment just talking about writing for web and making your blog articles SEO friendly. These are the videos that we use to train our own teams, our writing and editing teams, but we also make them available to the wider world. So hopefully they're useful to you. And what we've been doing for this series of videos is we've been using a case study and writing the article according to sort of the SEO best practice. And this article is called the keyword is thank you cards for kids to make. So everything we're doing is centered around that one keyword. So far we've written a header, we've picked a URL, we've written the metadata, we've set a featured image, and we've also written the alt text for that. So if you're interested in any of those topics, then you just need to go and look for those videos. What we're going to do in this one is we're just going to talk about writing an excerpt. So you don't have to write an excerpt for a blog. Actually, on our website you do, because it's used elsewhere. And where it's used is on the homepage and landing pages. Now, if your blog isn't set up that way or not using the excerpts, then obviously you can skip this bit. But actually, it's quite a useful tool, and anything, of course, which is a summary of your page is useful for search engines. So this is an excerpt. Here you go. This is our homepage. So let's have a look. Gardening. Try these lawn care tips, grow tomatoes at home, squirrel deterrence, etc. All of these bits here are excerpts. So on our homepage, these will always display. Now what you can see is on these two, actually, you can't read the end of the sentence, and that's because there's a 140 character limit. So when we're writing that, the protocol should be that they're always within the 140 characters. So that's what we're going to write now. So if I think about how is this used, if someone lands on my homepage and they're looking for ideas for kids, and they're on the landing page of ideas for kids, then the excerpt plus the picture is what is going to encourage them to click on the article, to go and read the longer article. So I need to make sure that I really encapsulate what this article is about. So I'm going to say something like free printable thank you cards for kids to make. Just choose one of 5 designs. We've got 5 to start with. We'll have some more at some point. Just choose of one of 5 designs, download and print, and let the kids get colouring. So really clear what this article is about. They're thank you cards that kids can make. They're free and printable. There's 5 designs. All you've got to do is download it and print it, and the kids can colour them in. It's all there in just 140 characters. So I'm pretty happy with that. It also lines up with my headline. It lines up with my metadata, so everything's consistent as you would want it to be. So I am going to save my draft, and I'm going to stick with that.